In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a seller on Temu. If you've ever found yourself a bit unsure about how to directly reach out to sellers on Temu, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll walk through the process together step by step. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to temu.com. This is the first important step, as it takes you right to the platform where all the purchases and communications occur. Once you're at Temu's homepage, look towards the top corner of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Sign in or Register. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have an account with Temu, you'll need to register a new one, but if you do have an account, simply proceed by logging in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, let's explore the site a bit further to find a product you're interested in. This can be any product that you might already have in mind or something that catches your eye as you browse. Click on a product to open its details page. Here you'll find all the essential information about the product. But more importantly for us, this page gives you access to the seller's contacts. Below the product images and right next to the product name, you should see the shop's name in a clickable link format. Click on the shop name to visit the seller's storefront. This step brings you closer as it takes you straight to the seller's domain on Temu. Once you're on the seller's page, look around for an option that says Contact Seller or sometimes just Chat. This feature is often highlighted to make it easily accessible for customers keen on engaging directly with the seller. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're in the chat interface, which is a direct line of communication with the seller. This is your opportunity to type out your message. Whether it's a question about their product or perhaps an inquiry on shipping details, this is the place to start that conversation. Take your time to craft a clear and concise message to ensure that the seller understands your query right off the bat. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to smoothly reach out to any seller on Temu. It's straightforward and designed to help you connect with sellers with ease, ensuring that you have all the information you need before making a purchase. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy shopping on Temu!